Hey TTC family, it's Miss T here and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're going to learn how to spell and write the sight word to. This is the little word we use when we're talking about going somewhere or doing something, like I'm going to the park or I like to read. There are other words that sound like to, but today we're just focusing on this one. So the word to has two letters, and those letters are T-O. And T-O spells the word to. Now on the count of three, I want you guys to spell the word to with me. 1, 2, 3. T-O spells the word to. Awesome job. So now we're going to write the word to, but we're going to write the word to 4 times. So the first 2 times we're going to be using capital T, and then the next 2 times we're going to be using lowercase t. So let's get started on how to write the word to using capital T first. So our first letter in the word to is T. Remember, you're using capital T. And our second letter in the word to is O. And T-O spells the word to. Let's go ahead and write the word to one more time using capital T. So our first letter is T. And then our second letter is O. And T-O spells the word to. Nice job. So now we're going to move on and now write the word to 2 more times, but using lowercase t. So our first letter is T, but remember we're using lowercase t. And our second letter is still O. And T-O spells the word to. Nice job, TTC family. Let's go ahead and write the word to one more time using lowercase t. So our first letter is T, and then our second letter is O. And T-O spells the word to. Nice job. TTC family, you guys did an amazing job learning how to spell and then also write the word to using capital T and then also lowercase t. So you guys did a phenomenal job. I want you to go ahead and pat yourself on the back. Nice job. So now it's time to tell Miss T. So in the comments below, with an adult, I want you to think about a sentence using the word to. So come up with your own sentence using the word to and write it in the comments below. All right, TTC family, I can't wait to read all of your sentences that you guys come up with. And bye, I'll see you in the next video. Hey TTC family, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time.